knocking nigga off and shit. Nigga, I understand, nigga, I put you through some shit for 2 days, nigga. But goddamn, nigga, you ain't gotta try to kill a nigga, bro.
I didn't try to kill you. You can't even hear me.
Bro.
I didn't try to kill you.
Shit. Yeah, if you don't get me off a motherfucking...
If you don't get me off camera.
Whatever you got me on, nigga. Snapchat, nigga,
YouTube,
Facebook, nigga.
Facebook.
Get me off of that bitch.
He don't even know that we doing... Cool. This is for our Facebook. I mean, our YouTube channel. He mad, y'all. Talk, nigga. You just talk to yourself. Talk. Now he mad. He ain't gonna say nothing now. Oh my God, so terrible. Look at Meka recording Tez like I always do. This is our YouTube channel. Tez, say hi. Say hi to the YouTubers. Say hi to the YouTubers.
Oh, nigga, fuck YouTube, nigga.
Oh.
Shit.